Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak to everyone. I bet you guys are having an amazing Eid day. Baitussalam is also all set for the meat distribution among 7 million beneficiaries, nationally and internationally. Let's show you the distribution among the Muslims. This meat was not only distributed in major cities of Pakistan, but it was also distributed among the deserving Muslims in Syria, Burma and Palestine. Moreover, the process of distribution of meat is carried out 24/7 throughout Eid, with the workers and volunteers of Baitussalam making sure that the packaging is 100% neat and hygienic. We are extremely thankful for your help that enabled Baitussalam to reach 7 million beneficiaries, making it one of the biggest Waqf Qurbani of Pakistan. May Allah accept our efforts. Keep enjoying your Eid. Allah Hafiz.